Hey guys, today I took a trip to the Michael Kors outlet, not the actual store, but the outlet, and I treated myself to a couple of items, so check it out. So don't think that Walmart is the only one that came out with their working bag. Is this the Mirkin bag? This just looks just like it. Oh my goodness, it's dope though. And there were several other bags. Y'all, I went straight to clearance because even though we in the outlet mall, don't mean that we really getting really good prices. So going back to the back, there is definitely going to be better price purses, y'all. These were $60. After all the sales and stuff that you get, $60 for this purse. All the three of these, $60 each. And there's there's 4 different colors. And then these bags as well. I believe this burgundy one with the gold straps was $70. And then this one was like $99. The the Mirkin bag was like $99. I didn't check the prices on all the rest of these, but they are super dope that they got some really nice items on clearance. I thought that was dope. All of these were cute bags, and then they got luggage too, so what? But this is what I ended up getting, so let's take a look at what I got. Hey y'all, I am here just actually I'm not really unboxing y'all, I'm unbagging. Let me tell you why I'm unbagging. I'm unbagging because I got this from the outlet mall, y'all. I cannot pay full price for Michael Kors or anything like that, okay? Like Coach, Michael Kors, we going to the outlet mall, okay? So, because they can get pretty expensive. I mean, I want the Brooklyn bag from Coach, but nah. Alright, so I ended up getting this bag for $75, y'all. So the bag was $75 plus an additional 20% off. So that's what, $15 off? No, that's not $15. Yeah, $7.50 times 2 is $15. Y'all don't do me. But yeah, so $15 minus 75. So I got this bag for $60, right? And it's just a tote. They had it in this color and brown. A brown color. Dark brown, like the color of that chair right there. So yeah. So you know I have to come do a video and show y'all what you could get or what you could snatch up at an outlet mall. Now keep in mind, outlet malls have bags that are still pretty penny, right? However, your girl goes to the clearance section, okay? Because clearance section might have the same thing that's out on the floor, but for some reason, I don't know why it does not sell out there. I don't know, but I don't know what happens, but this went to the clearance section, and so therefore, I ended up getting this for pretty much $60, because right now, they have a sale where everything is, if you buy 2 items, you will get 20% off of that item, okay? So there's that. It comes with this little coin purse. I really don't get the point of this little baggy purse thing, but it comes with it. So I'll take that off later on, but as you can see, I need scissors to take that off. It connects with this. Why I would use this, I don't know, but let's put it there. Let's put it there for now. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's gonna give me a hard time on camera, child. So let me see. Is this gonna work this time? Come on, get on there. Yes, there we go. So this is just a little, I don't know what this is because you can't even put a card in there. So yeah, that's wild. Can you put a card in there? I don't know. But anyway, the bag has just some small straps. They are this leather, but it's not a soft leather, y'all. Unfortunately, it's that hard faux leather, I'm sure. Initially, this is the Vincent bright red bag. Initially, it's $498, and I hope nobody ever paid that price because on clearance they $60, and that sounds more like it. has just a bunch of packaging in it. Move this out the way. And we're gonna put the packaging in the trash in just a moment. But let me just show you the rest of the bag. Yeah, this has nothing on the inside of the bag, but I definitely think this is worth $50. Now, when you go to Ross and TJ Maxx and all those other stores and Marshalls and Burlington, this bag will probably be like $119. However, I got it for $60. Ain't that amazing, y'all? But hold on, let me tell you where the real treat is, okay? Let me throw this stuff away. It's not doing it. All right, let me throw this away. Sorry about that. All right, so the real treat is a lot higher. It started out at $124. However, after I got 20% off of that, it was $12.50? Yeah, 124. So I got $12.40 off times 2. So that is $24.80 that came off of this bag. So the bag was $99. Okay? And y'all know that everybody is trying to get from Walmart, right? They are trying to get that Walmart working bag. Guess who else got one? Everybody else has got one. But let me show you Michael Kors. Y'all, this is a fake Birkin. This is a straight up fake Birkin bag. I mean, you can't tell me it's not. I don't even know if that's something that I want to be seeing because I don't want my video to get shut down. But this looks like something that everybody wants to get. It's a $27,000 bag. But Michael Kors has this rendition of that particular brand that everybody's going crazy about as far as like Walmart having a bag, right? Let me get this all over for you so we can see what I'm talking about. Look, do we got a lock and key right here? Is that a lock and key? It is. Who is that copying off of, y'all? You know what they're missing? They're missing the flap. The flap that goes right here and the key locks it down. They're missing that. But y'all, this is a crossbody bag too. Because look at that. So I gotta get in here and see this crossbody. Which I did not confirm that they left me a strap. There better be a strap up in here. But y'all, this bag is super dope. I love this bag. It's so cute. Look at this. Wow. I don't know. Get all of this off. Oh, it's a lot. They do a lot of packing on this bag. Dang. Go out there. Oh, it's tiny though, kind of. Get everything out of it. Now I must find me a wallet to match both of my bags. So when I do decide to swap out, it's this one of these little sugar packets. I need that. And this bag initially, it doesn't say how much it was initially. It does not say how much it was initially. No tag, nowhere? Okay, fine. Oh, Jesus. They got that locked down to where I can't even open it, so I will have to wait till I get some scissors to be able to open it. Alright, guys. I was just so excited about it, though. When I seen it, it took me forever to decide. Am I going to spend $99 on a Michael Kors bag? 60 sounded more like it, but this is more like their newest, latest design. So I was like, why not? I might as well get it. Alright, let me actually show you the bag though now. Yeah, what does that look like? Like for real. It's burgundy. It's one of the hot colors this year. Oops. Now this goes out here, but because it's attached in there, I have to cut it with scissors. There's no compartments on the inside of just that one little zip part, but it's pretty much just an open bag. It's nice. It's really nice. It's really dope. It's so dainty and so cutesy. I'm definitely loving this. So yeah, guys. Sorry it took me so hard to open it up, but like I said, we got our Kiss Looks bags. This one is definitely reminiscent of Hermes, especially with the lock and key and then this strap. So it's fake though. It's a fake gesture because normally it has a flap that comes over and then you lock the flap down with this, but this is not doing so, but it's cool. It still gives you the illusion of it, and it's a mid one. They did have a bigger size in this, and they had it in brown, and I'm sorry, they had it in black and like a crocodile black, I believe. I don't remember. I took pictures of it, and I will post it. But yeah, ain't those beautiful? Those are really cute. I'm just happy that I only paid $170 altogether. $170 is all I paid, and that's after taxes. I'm happy about that. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments of the bags. All right? Okay, so let me know which one is your favorite bag. Do you like this one? Yeah, I love it. I'm just trying to give you like an idea of the sizing of it. So it goes in, I could definitely hold it as a shoulder bag. So this is a shoulder bag I can keep on my shoulder, or I can have it just down. It does not adjust. That's it. This is all you get. This is all the strap you get. So thank God I lost some weight in my arms, but this is it. Shoulder, lower. They had this bag in brown and they had it in burgundy. It's the same color as my other bag. They had it in burgundy and in brown. $60 after the 20% off. Now, if you want it for $60, you would have to actually buy two, okay? 2 purses. And so this is the second choice that I bought. Again, y'all, you can't tell me who they not copying off of. I ain't gonna say copying because we don't know if the people that's making the most money off of this is the originators or not. We would have to look that up. But I'm so happy I got this. I got plenty more that I want to get. Tiffany and Fred has a bunch of these too. So this you can wear as a crossbody, and that's it, or a handbag. A crossbody or a handbag. It is adjustable. Yes, it does have some more strap that I can to wear it down closer to my waist. So what y'all think about that? Is that cute or not? That is so adorable. Oh, don't do that because you snatched my wig off on this video. Yes, this is adorable though. I love this bag. It's cute. And that strap that's sitting right here, it goes all the way through the bag, giving you the illusion that you can lock this bag down with the key and the strap over, the flap over. It's giving that illusion. I'm gonna get one that does. I'm gonna have to probably spend a little bit more because Tiffany and Fred bags are anywhere between $160 on up to like $200. I don't necessarily want to spend that much money on a bag that's not really giving Gucci or Fendi or Louis Vuitton or nothing like that. But $60 is a great price. To me, $100 is decent. You know what I mean? So I'm happy with my purchase. They are clearance items. You cannot return them. That's it. So I'm stuck with it. I'm stuck with it and I love it. I like my purchase. I'm glad that I got it. It came in this bag. But again, you do not get a box. Oh, here's my receipt. I don't need a receipt because you can't return nothing. But let me just show y'all. Buy 2, get 20% off. Right in here, it shows you I paid $170.77, something like that. I hope you can see that. It's just showing you guys that I really did save some money on a bag like this is not gonna be, this is gonna be like anywhere between 100 and 119 at Ross, at Burlington, at TJ Maxx, at Marshall. So keep that in mind. Go directly. Sometimes you might have to go directly to the source, but the outlet mall. Don't go to Michael Kors on the mall, because you're gonna pay retail price for whatever. But it being in the store, oh, and in the store they had boots too. I didn't focus on any of that. I should have actually showed you some of that too, but unfortunately I did not. But I do hope you like what I did show you, because I thought it was dope. And I think it's so dope that everybody's like, oh, working bag, Walmart got a Birkin bag. Everybody got one. Everybody. What's her name? Tory Burch has one. I'm gonna show you all the brands that I've seen so far that have these bags. Let me run that real quick. Okay, so aside from the clear like DHgate and Alibaba searches that you can find on Google, there is, you know, very popular brands like Tory Burch, Michael Kors, and Macy's is carrying one, aside from Walmart doing the working thing. It's definitely a very popular bag. If you go look up satchel bag, then you'll definitely see a lot. But yes, I am so happy that I got mine. And yes, they had more on clearance. The Michael Kors that I went to was, it's out in the premium outlet malls in Tampa, Florida on 56. So if you're anywhere in that area, it's worth a trip to go to Michael Kors. They always got some type of sale going on there where it's like 20% off if you buy two. One time it was like 3. If you buy 3, you get something off. So yeah, just make sure you step in and see what they got, because they have some deals. All right, bye-bye.